panoramic villa for sale in the splendid setting of eastern Sicily, completely immersed in the greenery of the countryside and full of citrus trees, more precisely in the homeland of the Tarocco blood oranges. The villa is on one floor and was renovated in 2022 inside and has a large outdoor spaces, a panoramic veranda at the entrance and one in the back where it is possible to use the barbecue area with a wood-burning oven. We find 2 spacious double bedrooms, a living room, bathroom and eating kitchen with a view of the land. The property is completed by a comfortable garage of 53 square meters and the use of a drilled well guarantees the water needs. It is also possible to purchase the land adjacent to the villa for more than approximately 2 hectares, full of citrus trees, fruit trees and vegetables. Its garden entirely cultivated with many orange trees, unique in their kind because they ripen in a different period than usual. There are also lemons, pears, apples, apricots, plums, almonds and walnuts, greenhouses with irrigation systems used for growing vegetables. There is an alarm system and video surveillance, and this villa is habitable and available immediately. Near this property you can also find bike lanes, fitness centers, football fields, gyms, tennis courts, kindergarten, schools, elementary schools, high schools, municipal offices, playgrounds, post offices, public transport, railway station, cafe, shopping centers, spa. Don't miss this opportunity.